नमस्कार, येवकार तुमकां हब एनकावंटर कार्यावळीन आमचे बरोबर आसा लुइजीन फालेरो, तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षाचे राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष. फालेरो हांणी हालींच बॉम्ब घातलो की तांणी काँग्रेस सोडली आनी तृणमूल गोंयांत हाडली आनी तेन्ना सांगलें की आपूण काँग्रेसमॅन आसा आनी काँग्रेसमॅन उरतलो म्हणून. राज्यसभा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट म्हणून ते इलेक्ट जाल्ल्या उपरांत ही सगळ्यात पयली मुलाखत. सो देव बरें करूं सर, टायम दिलो म्हणून. आनी कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स तुमकां, अभिनंदन की तुम्ही राज्यसभा मेंबर जाले म्हणून. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, म्हाका याद आसा कांय वर्सां पयलीं हांगाच बसून घडये मातशे वयर बसून आमी मुलाखत घेतिल्ली आनी तेन्ना तुमी सांगिल्लें की आपूण आतां आय एम डन विथ पॉलिटिक्स. आपली घरची म्हणटा आपल्याक आतां राजकारण नाका, तूं राजकारण केल्यार आमी बेजार जातली आनी आपूण रिटायर जाता आनी गोंयांत आयला म्हणून. आतां पळयता जाल्यार वेगळें चित्र जालें.
पयलीं सद्याक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमकां. आनीक आयच्या दिसाक जेन्ना राज्यसभेचे मेंबर म्हणून म्हाका निवडून काडल्यात, हांव ममता दीदीचे आभार मानता. तिकाय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. म्हजे नदरेन ही एक व्हडली जबाबदारी तिणें म्हजेर घातलेली आहा. आनीक हें तिचें एक विजन आशिल्लें की गोंयां जोरी तोरी बरो सरकार दितलो, गोंयच्यान TMC पॉप्युलरायज करपाक, आनी तेच बरोबर गोंयचे प्रश्न, गोंयच्यो अडचण्यो, गोंयची जी लोकांची मागणी आहा, पॉप्युलर एस्पिरेशन आहा, ही आमच्या देशाच्या पार्लमेंटांत पावोवपाक. तुमकां खबर आसतली आयज गोंयांत खुबशे प्रश्न उप्रासले आहा. लोक आनी गोंय अडचणींत पडले आहा. आनीक हे प्रश्न सुटावे जायना. जोरी तर BJP सरकार जो आहा हातूंत 50% सरकार काँग्रेसाचो, कित्याक 13 MLA लोकांनी निवडून धाडले BJPक आनी काँग्रेसाचे 13 आमदार. म्हणजे दीस इज लायक काँग्रेस वायन इन BJP बॉटल. आनीक इतलेंय जावन आयज जे प्रश्न आहा, लोक एक वाटेन म्हणटा कोळसो नाका, 3 लिनियर प्रोजेक्ट नाकाय, महादे आमचें उदक दुसरे वाटेन गोंयचें येतालें तें कर्नाटका मेळ्ळें, आनी हे भाशेन जायते प्रश्न
पूण आनी एक मातशें फनी दिसचें ना की तुमी कोलकाताच्यान राज्यसभा मेंबर जाल्ले आसा आनी विशय काडटले गोंयचे. ते बोवाळ घालचे ना वेस्ट बेंगाल वाले आमची सीट काडली आनी थंय कोणा तरी दुसऱ्या दिले, आमच्या राज्याचे प्रश्न काडपाचे सोडून वो दुसऱ्या राज्याचे काडटा म्हणून.
ना, दिदीचें एक कमिटमेंट गोंयां आनी गोंयकारांक. दिदीचें कमिटमेंट की आपूण जोरी तरी गोंय आयल्या, गोंयचे प्रश्न तिका भरपूर खबर आहा, पूण तिणें सांगिल्लें आय विल नॉट इंटरफियर. गोंयांत तरी बरो सरकार जातलो जाल्यार इट मस्ट बी अ गूड गव्हर्नन्स बाय गोवन्स. दिदीचें स्वप्न आहा की इट शूड बी अ गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ द गोवन्स, बाय द गोवन्स, फॉर
ना
द
ते
गोवन्स.
उलयना, हांव म्हणटा तुमी राज्यसभा मेंबर आसा वेस्ट बेंगालचे. यू आर इलेक्टेड फ्रॉम वेस्ट बेंगाल ऑन राज्यसभा, बट यू आर गोइंग टू रेज इश्यूज ऑफ गोवा in parliament. So people from West Bengal will naturally feel ki we have wasted one ticket.
No. In fact, Didi wants that I should take up the issues of Goa, which are near and dear to Goans, in the parliament. And remember, today TMC is the second largest, most vocal, most effective and most powerful opposition in the country.
Didi wants is another case. What people of West Bengal wants, that is also more important.
People of West Bengal has elected Didi, and Didi's vision, Didi's commitment to democracy, Didi's commitment is well accepted by the people, because she, even sitting on a wheelchair, she fought against the Modi government and Modi BJP juggernaut. So people want her to also spread out all over the country and see that in the coming 2024 elections that Didi hits the BJP juggernaut at the national level. So they are ready to do any sacrifice for the sake of the country and for the sake of giving good governance to the country.
Sir, when you joined TMC, there was immediate reaction from the people saying that earlier Luzin Farrar used to say, Madam Sonia. His words, his sentences used to start with Madam Sonia, Madam Sonia. Suddenly what happened that overnight, आता Madam Sonia सोडून ममता दीदी जाले. So they were saying की Luzin Farrarचो Overnight, it cannot happen.
I will tell you something. I have served Congress party for nearly 40 years. I had taken a retirement, which was a very painful retirement at the age of 55 in 2007. I went to serve the Congress party at the national level. I was the General Secretary of the AICC. I was a member of Congress Working Committee. I'm very happy that God has been very, very kind to me, very benevolent to me, because I could bring twice the government in Meghalaya, twice Congress government in Mizoram, twice Congress government in Arunachal. I could bring it in Manipur, Karnataka, and so on and so forth. Thereafter, when I came to Goa, at the request of Mrs. Gandhi, I have realized all the governments which I had brought has disappeared. In fact, last 1.5 year, nearly 187 MLAs have migrated from Congress to the BJP. So this is a trend, and the country is becoming weaker and weaker. As you have rightly said, the Congress family is fractured into four: the Congress, the Trinamool, Sharad Pawar, and YSR. So it is necessary, we have to bring together if we are going to fight
But you
the
are
BJP.
damaging Congress.
Definitely not.
तुम्ही हांगा
Definitely
काडटा
not.
आणि
Because
काँग्रेसवाल्याच्या अगेन्स्ट
I have taken a very bold step. It was a very painful step. Because as you have rightly said, after 2017, when people gave Congress second time absolute majority, it was in 1998-99, Congress had absolute majority. It is the Congress leaders only who took the Congress government and handed over to Mr. Parikar, to BJP. Again, 2017, people of Goa had given us single largest, and that night we had an absolute majority. But again, our
No,
leaders,
you had only 17. You never had 21 with you.
we had 17 plus 1, and we had Churchill, we had the independents, we had 21 MLAs.
Everyone is blaming you, saying that you wanted to become
No, I
the chief
had written
minister.
a letter, I have typed the letter. I was not allowed to give the letter to the governor by Digvijay and by our own leaders. They said, we don't want 21, we want 24. And next day, you know what has happened.
So your mission in Goa is to finish Congress first.
No. My mission in Goa is BJP.
But you are finishing Congress and BJP.
Today, if you see, the present government is 50-50 collaboration of Congress and BJP. So I don't want to criticize, but people of Goa in the 2017 elections, as you have seen, they had finished the BJP, they had defeated the BJP chief minister, the BJP cabinet, and the number from 28 had come to 13. What has happened now? Congress has given them another 13. That's why I said this is the Congress wine in BJP bottle. It is not only the BJP government.
But
it is a
eventually-
collaboration of two parties which is formed the government.
but eventually-
our job is not to talk about Congress, because Congress is not my enemy. My enemy is BJP.
No, but it looks
So I'm
like
focused.
you are finishing Congress more than
no,
BJP.
No, I don't agree, because you see, it is a bold step you have taken. You require a courage and determination to plan, and again courage and to execute what you plan. If your dream, if your picture is to build Goa, is to bring a new dawn to Goa, because today people are looking for a change, and I think the TMC is the only party who can give a change and a credible change to the people of Goa.
Sir, if you want Congress to survive also and non-BJP parties to flourish and non-BJP government to come in action in force in Goa, you are
Which
not
Congress
ready.
you are talking? The Congress which is ruling today?
The Congress.
13 MLAs of the Congress are in BJP. Are you talking of those?
I'm talking about the Congress party, Indian National Congress, for which
13
you belong.
MLAs
you
out of
belong
the
some
Congress.
2 months back
out
also.
of the 17 MLAs, 13 MLAs are in the BJP government. Are you talking of that Congress?
I'm talking about the Congress which you left, sir. You that
Yeah,
Congress.
that is the
you
reason.
think
That is the reason people are fed up. They want a change. They want a credible change. And I thought I will sacrifice and give a credible change.
people say you are not sacrificed. People say you
What
have
people
achieved. You have
think-
become Rajya Sabha member of parliament. Now you are like.
Well, I am humbled. I never ask Rajya Sabha. I am humbled. I never ask as a national vice president of the TMC, it is her commitment to the people of Goa. It is her commitment to raise the issues of the people of Goa. And she is a fighter. She wants Goa and Goans to get a good governance. And her plan is to send Goa to the parliament. So there are many issues. Now, coal. Who brought coal in Goa? 3 linear projects. Who brought 3 linear projects in Goa? Mahadev water diversion to Karnataka. Who allowed it?
So, but now all these things could
All
be fought.
these things, have you heard the voice of the people of Goa in our parliament? Tell me.
So you will
Put
be
your
the voice
hand in
of
your
the people.
conscience and tell me.
You will be
have
the
you
voice.
heard?
You will be
have
the
you
voice.
heard
No, so my-
anything, a word about this in the parliament? Why it is not? Today I can assure you, on 29th, when we start, the voice of Goa will be heard all over the country, and not alone by Luiz Falero. We have got nearly 38, 39 MPs. We are second largest opposition in the parliament, and you will hear with one voice the issues which are plaguing Goa, which are near and dear to Goans.
So you are equally blaming Francis
in the Indian
Sardin.
parliament.
So you are equally blaming Francis Sardin because he is part of the parliament.
I
he
will
is
not
representing.
name anybody here.
The rest two are BJP guys. So only one guy who's left is Francis Sardin. So you have, without naming, you are blaming him.
No, I am not going to name anybody. Francis Sardina is alone. When Luiz Falero goes there, Luiz Falero will be supported by 30, 40 MPs of the TMC. And that makes a difference.
Okay, now let's come to the Goa specific questions, and I hope you answer these questions. One is that नावेलीचे लोक म्हणता की Luiz Falero abandoned us. 10 years सुद्धा complete corona, he went to another party, and he is not telling us now what next for Naveli. Either his son is going to contest. You also said that I want to contest again the assembly election, whether he is contesting back in Naveli. Also, there are rumors that you will contest in Margam. Please answer all these questions.
First question which you are asking is whether Luiz Falero has abandoned the Naveli constituency and its people who have always given me their love, affection, their support. And I can proudly say, among all the 40 MLAs, I am the one who got the largest love and affection. And because of their support and because of the affection, I could fight the biggest battles in the history of Goa. The battle for twin aspiration, to make Konkani our official language, statehood, to fight for 100% employment of Goans in the government, to fight for 80% jobs for Goans in the private sector.
We are talking about
It is
2021, sir.
all because of the people of Naveli. Now, coming back today, I don't know, maybe many people are ignorant. As far as Naveli constituency's development and progress, we are second to none. We had one of the best network of roads in the state of Goa. Today, because of sewerage, many of the roads were in this, but I have got nearly 30, 40 crores of rupees tendered, work orders are issued, and most of the roads are hot mixed. The balance roads will be hot mixed the moment God gives us some respite from the rains. And before the end of the term, all the roads will be hot
Your
mixed.
term is ended, sir. You are no more
It
MLA.
will be by next month.
You
By
are no
next
more
month,
MLA.
actually, it was supposed to be completed by first week of
So,
November.
but you are no more MLA. of
Doesn't
Naveli.
matter. Now, for example, I'll tell you, electricity. We had a basic problem of roads, water supply and electricity. All these problems are settled. You may be staying in Panjim. You will not have water. But we have got enough water for the next 5 years. I'll tell you,
they are
we had
complaining
200
you
mm
don't have-
pipeline. 200 mm pipeline. In that place, we have brought 300 mm pipeline. That is 600 mm pipelines built to the capacity of 6 kg pressure. Today, we are releasing only 2.5 kg pressure. If you release a little more pressure, most of the pipelines start breaking down. So, we got enough water for another 5 or 10 years. Rest part of the country, nearly 60% of Goa is not having water and potable water. Let us come to the electricity. When I took over, there was only 6.3 megawatts of power. There was one power substation next to that Konkan Railway overbridge. From 6.3, I increased to another 10, 16.3. And today I have given them a land at Davoli where we are putting another 40 megawatts. So remember, from 6.3 megawatts, we are going to have 56.3 megawatts of power. And that new substation is one of its type in the state of Goa. So as far as electricity infrastructure, please allow me to reply you. Because you said that Louis and Fallero is abandoned. Nothing is abandoned.
You're
I have
left then,
built
sir.
an infrastructure for next 5 years. Now, that is not all. It's not
So
only.
next question is, you are going to contest in
No,
Naveli.
no. Please have patience.
Okay.
You asked me a question. I'm giving you a reply. Now, you come to the housing board. In housing board, I had a problem of sewerage. I had a problem of garbage. I had a problem of water supply. I had a problem of power. I have solved all these problems. Doesn't mean everything is perfect. The sewerage is connected to sewerage plant in Naveli. So houses are given the sewerage connection. The garbage mini plant we have put down there. So because it's one of the worst panchayat as far as the garbage and sewerage is concerned. Electricity, I have put underground cabling. I have put additional transformers. You see, water supply, we have given them enough water. There is no shortage of water. So you are saying that Luis and Fallero is abandoned. Luis and Fallero has seen that systematically the problems of infrastructure, the problems of development is there. Another 65 crores work tenders are given for underground cabling in the rest of the constituency. So hot mixing will be completed. Electricity problem is being settled. Road problem is being settled. You are today, through your media, talking about potholes. We are going to see that Naveli constituency by end of this term will have no potholes. So it is development. It is progress.
My next question was whether you are going to contest.
I could continue, huh? Because
I know.
hundreds of
We have
crores are
time
spent.
limitation. We'll come again for that
yeah,
actually.
yeah.
But are you going to contest in Navelim again? People also want to know that.
As you have told in the initial stage, after 2017, when the people of Goa had blessed us with the largest majority, 17 plus 1, and we had support of others, when our people sabotaged it and handed over on a silver platter to the BJP, I was crestfallen. I was very, very upset. And therefore I said, for the last 4.5 years, I suffered in silence. I maintained dignity. But if you feel that the end of the road is there, and if you feel there is also a new way of going ahead, then you have to select the way ahead. And that is the reason I have selected to bring in a new dawn through TMC. And you will see that things are changing.
तुम्ही
and things
नावेली
are
contest
changing
करता
fast.
काय ना? This
That I will
question.
take a decision at the appropriate time.
You are open for contesting from
See,
Naveli.
I am here to fight and to fight against the BJP. I will take any decision and whatever decision, whatever it takes to see that TMC triumphs and TMC gives a good governance to the people of Goa, because people are asking for a change. So whatever is necessary to give a change, we will work. But definitely, I am in touch with my people. They are in touch with me. You must be knowing they are all asking me to contest, but I will take a decision which is appropriate decision at the appropriate time.
मडगाव तुम्ही कॉन्टेस्ट करता म्हणून बोवाळ चाललेलो.
You see, these are different expectations. Luis Fallero, as I have told you, is a fighter. And whatever is necessary for the state of Goa and for the people of Goa, I will do.
सस्पेन्स कंटिन्यू दवरला
Yeah.
तुम्ही. नावेली काय मडगाव, पण कॉन्टेस्ट करता तुम्ही. हाजेर तरी
I
एश्युरन्स.
told you I will take appropriate decision at the appropriate time in the interest of the state of Goa and interest of the people and interest of the TMC.
पण एक आय मायट बी रॉंग, पण फाल्यां तुम्ही कॉन्टेस्ट केले सपोजिटली आणि तुम्ही शुअर आसा की तुम्ही जिखून आयले, परत राज्यसभा रिजायन करचे पडले ना तुमकां?
No, you are putting cart before the horse.
ना आता 3 महिने.
Let us first decide and then I'll be able to reply you.
ना पण यू विल सॅक्रिफायस राज्यसभा इतलो
I have
बोवाळ जावन.
sacrificed my MLA-ship without seeing there is any inconvenience to the people of
पण तुम्ही
Naveli
राज्यसभेन
constituency.
वताच हेच्या
I
खातीर
am
की
in touch with Naveli constituency. I am in touch with the development. I am in touch with the people, and I am in touch with the works which are going on in my
ओके
constituency.
तृणमूलच्या बाबतीन वी हॅव सीन युअर करियर सर यू आर युनियन लिडर यू आर पर्सन ऑफ मासीस थंयच्यान यू केम अप टू बिकम अ पॉलिटिशियन देन यू रोज टू दीस लेवल आतां TMCच्या बाबतीन पळयत जाल्यार यू आर अनडुईंग वॉट यू हॅव बीन डुईंग तुमकां यू आर नॉट गोईंग टू ग्रास रूट तुमी डायरेक्ट खंयचे खंयचे लिडर्स उबारता आनी डायरेक्ट TMCन घेता आनी म्हणटा आमी जिखतले म्हणून
एक सांगचें TMC जेन्ना गोंया आयली गोंयकारां मदें एक नवी आशा नवी दिशा नवो बोरवंसो तयार जालो कित्याक गोंयचो लोक बदल मागता गोंयचो लोक त्रासान पडलो आहा तर लोकांची अपेक्षा आहा की TMC हो बदल दितली आनी बरो बदल दितली बरो सरकार दितली तर आमचे प्रयत्न जावन आहात लोकांक ही बदल दिवपाक आनी लोकांक बरो सरकार दिवपाक कित्याक लोकांची आशा दिशा आनी बोरवंसो TMCचेर आयज घातलेलो आहा
तर तुम्ही लोकां मदल्यान आमदार काडना तुम्ही दुसऱ्या पक्षाचे आमदार घेता किरण कांदोळकराक घेतलो तुम्ही स्वता जॉईन जाले आय डोंट नो तुम्ही आता म्हणटा आनी 4-5 आमदार
काँग्रेसा लिडर येयलो म्हणून किरण कांदोळकर काँग्रेसाचो
तो तांकां जॉईन एलायन्सांनी वचपाचो तुम्ही
खूब
स्मार्टली यू ब्रोक दी
खूब लिडर आहाय
बार्गेनिंग पॉवर कमी केली गोवा
खूब
फॉरवर्डाची
लिडर आहाय जे प्रत्येक पक्षांतले प्रत्येक मागांतले प्रत्येक भागांतले प्रत्येक जातींतले आमकां जाय देर शूड बी अ सोशल इंजिनियरींग दॅट इज माय मेन पर्पज when you are giving candidates to the people, they should represent by and large the largest communities of the state of Goa. दुसरे आमचे हें आहा स्वप्न आहा की जात तितले बायलांक महिलांक मुखार घालपाक कित्याक दीदी represents the woman empowerment and you must have seen we are getting women from all walks of life from different political parties and different political places. So we are working. We are working. We are not sleeping. We are working to get the good people, and we will give to the people of Goa good people at the end of the day.
two straight questions, and I hope please answer these questions. One is that family raj असता पळय बायल आनी गोवाक टिकेट दिवप हाजेर वॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन बिकॉज कांदोळकर येता आसतना आपल्या बायलेक्यूय घेवन आयला आनी एपरंटली आनी हे ओपनली सेड आपल्या थिवीके ऑर्डर ना दोनूय आपल्याक जाय
See, I don't want to comment, but can I ask you one question? Kiran Kandolkar, you support. Why don't you support his wife? She is an elected Zila member.
So you don't mind
She
having
is a
women in.
leader in her own right. TMC has not made her leader. The people of the area made her leader. So if a leader wants to join you, it shows that TMC is something where people like to join. I can only tell you, the new winds of change are sweeping all over the country, in all over the state of Goa. And when these new winds of change are sweeping all over the state of Goa, you like to welcome good people,
Churchill आणि वालांका कितें घेता?
the leaders who matter and the leaders who can deliver.
सर चर्चिल आनी वालेंका घेता इज इट ट्रू
See, कोणाक घेतले
आसा ऑफर
आणि
येवपाची
कोणाक घेवचे नाही is a very, very difficult question for me to answer you.
It's very easy for you because Churchill is
Nah,
your
nah,
best
nah.
friend.
Because
Walanka told us in the interview
everybody is in touch with us.
you are his family
We will
friend.
inform you at the appropriate time the decision taken by my party. Definitely we will invite you so that you will know who are the leaders who wants to join us.
Okay, last question. Will you be CM's face for TMC in Goa?
At this moment, I told you whether I'll contest or not contest, I will take the appropriate decision at the appropriate time. My job is to take this movement, which started by Didi, across Goa and across the country.
You're starting some door-to-door campaign also, I heard.
You see, TMC did not wait because, as you have rightly said, the time is very, very short. So, as per our action plan, as per our roadmap, by end of the first week of December, we would like to reach out to every house in the state of Goa. That is all this. Now, side by side, when we are visiting the houses, we are also studying what are the problems, what are the difficulties, what are their aspirations, what they are expecting. So that we have already provided to them house to house our charge sheet. That was the first charge sheet. We may give second charge sheet, but we will prepare an action plan. In that, there will be a vision document for the state. There will be a manifesto for the state, but more particularly, we are going to prepare a manifesto for every constituency because we are studying, we are meeting them.
So last question.
We are
Alliance,
interacting with them.
alliance, yes or no?
I can't say, but our leader also has kept that open at the appropriate
Alliance.
time.
Goa
It's
Forward
kept
बरोबर?
open, but right now we are working in all the 40 constituencies.
टाइम झालो न्ही सर आता एक महिन्यान यू हॅव टू डिसाइड वेदर येस ऑर नो विथ अलायन्स
That the moment we decide, you can be rest assured you will be the first one to know about it.
This goes
Because
as a promise.
Press, we don't want to keep
You
them.
means I want to be not press. Okay. Thank you very much sir.
Thank you,
तुम्ही
thank
वेळ
you,
दिला
thank
म्हणून
you,
बिझी
thank you.
शेड्युलान. हे आशिल्ले लुईझीन फलेरो तृणमूल काँग्रेसचे राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष आणि आम्ही सध्या फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू जाता तांची एज अ राज्यसभा मेंबर ऑफ पार्लमेंट. ते म्हणटा गोंयचो आवाज राज्यसभेन काडून वेगवेगळे विशय जे आतां म्हणसर काडूना ते विशय काडटले. गोंयांत तृणमूल काँग्रेस फुडलो सरकार घडयतली अशी तांकां विश्वास आसा. आपूण कॉन्टेस्ट करतलो काय ना ते म्हणटा फुडले फावटी सांगता मे बी नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू सेम प्लेस
Definitely.
नेक्स्ट
Because
इंटरव्यू.
media is very important for us.
ओके नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू आमकां कळटलें. तुमी पळयत रावात हब एनकाउंटर. यू आर वॉचिंग दीस इंटरव्यू ऑन युअर फेवरेट वेबसायट www.goanewshub.com. Our channel partners are RDX Goa. Our production partners are goabyline.com and our drone partners are Hawk Studio. Keep watching and thank you very much
Thank
sir.
you, thank
once
you,
again.
thank you.
Yeah. पळयत रावा.